Taking a look at a... Oh, I just lost it. Oh, propeller plane, little Cirrus getting in on the action.
Oh, they were at the same altitude. They wrecked.
Hmm.
Not really.
Oh yeah, look at that. Ultra zoom! Okay, I'm gonna try to look at this. Oh wait, I can read the registration code because there's image stabilization. Yeah, on the propeller plane. I can tell you it if you'd like.
You're gonna have to tell me through the branches.
November 40, and then something else that went behind the trees. Okay, let's look at this A320. I think it's a Neo, actually, too. I think the camera is lost with the branches. But I've got time. Probably not, because the A320 is leaving quickly. I'm gonna zoom out, actually, you know, do it the right way. Oh, there it is, okay. A320 Neo, Frontier. Oh, look at that big, clear optic. Okay, now it's time. A takeoff is finally low enough to be seen. It looks like United. We get as close as I can to it. That's pretty, way too close. Oh my god. Okay, I need to back out a little bit. I don't even know if I'm actually doing it right. Yeah, I was just backing out digitally. Okay. And it's still actually available to see. There's a Cardinal, red as can be. I'm gonna get... There we go, I'm gonna see if it'll focus. Come on. Do I need to get digitally close to? Okay, I'm gonna stop. What the heck? How big is this? Oh god, I'm gonna slowly zoom my way over there like it's...
He's turning way too...
At the 7.5 too, look! Don't mind the camera going up and down, that's just... I'm trying to figure things out a little bit here. Sheesh. Turned way over there.
And he must be extra low to look that big.
Yeah.
Extra low.
Like 2,000 feet. A Spirit, and it's making the noises that we've come to expect from A320s. Listen to the fop, too. The whistling. I'm gonna try not to make everybody sick with my, Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get as close as I can possibly get. Optically and digitally. We can see if we can see the fop holes, actually. Obviously, we can... Oh, my God, okay. I need to stop before I, give myself a headache. Okay, there we go. That's a good amount of zoom. Maybe I'll get a little closer in. Alright, now it's getting windy, so we can do a wind test. I don't know why, I just like the sound of wind in microphones. Everybody hates it, I like it. Looks like we've got a 717 here. Don't mind me going absolutely insane and ballistic with the zooming in. Oh yeah, oh look it! You have got to see how good this looks. Okay, I'm gonna go as far in as I can, because we like 717s around here, right, Jeff?
Yep.
The last generation of, fairly sized jets with engines on the back. My stabilization is going a little crazy right now. Probably because I'm not holding the camera very well. Well, here it comes a 717. Oh, there's a high up jet, not a vapor trail, but a A321 over here. Okay, now it's time for the 717, and I'm way too close again. Look at it, everyone! 717! Oh, it's got a delta belly! Let's zoom in on the delta belly! Yes! Okay, I'm gonna stop now because this is getting odd. Thank you, 717, into the evergreens of doom. We don't have to worry about exposure either. Yeah. Ow. Another propeller plane. This one's making a really steep turn here. I'm not gonna get extra close because I actually want to see it. I think this is the same one because it's a Cirrus.
I was wondering if it was the same one.
It's kind of turning towards us.
Usually it's the same one. They're teaching somebody how to fly.
Well, we can kind of... Yeah, and you can hear the throttle too. November something 40. I think it was YZ, Yankee Zulu. I want to try to get it one more time. It's the ultimate test of me. November 404 Yankee Zulu. And 404 YZ. That's the registration code. We finally got some variety, a different propeller plane. This time, I'm gonna back out a little bit till it gets out of the trees. Because in case you can't tell already, it's in the trees. Okay, there it is. It's a Cessna. Yeah, and I could have read the registration code, but I'm being too shaky right now. Very low 321 right here. I don't know if I'm even gonna get it in focus.
You want to go over here? You can get it better.
Well, I'm gonna try to.
You want to go on that side? You get it better.
Yeah, come on, hurry. Okay. There it is, A321. If maybe the camera will. I just zoomed in by mistake. Camera focus, please. If I use this to do it. I think the camera.
Sounds like a truck.
I think. Oh God! Now it's gonna do that. Why does it happen every time?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another jet over there. Maybe I can get this one.
That's a pretty good one. Have a video where a jet sounds like a truck.
Maybe this one will actually focus.
Car.
It won't. 320.
Those suckers are a little bit low today.
Yeah, they've been like that for the last few weeks. And by that I mean the last week. That's optically my maximum. Okay, there's my. Oh my God! I can read the registration code.
Car.
I need to. Yeah, we got to get out of the road a little bit.
Get all the way out of the road. This car's coming.
Yeah. Okay. Let's look at the cars driving by too. And we're falling into ditches now. Okay. This Cessna's got a really strong headwind, so it can fly at a relatively low ground speed. If my camera will focus on it, that would be nice. But I guess there's too many obstructions in the way. That's the only bad thing. Come on, focus. Look at the propellers, camera. Damn it. Okay, where's the takeoff? It's probably behind the clouds now. Not southwest, but a 737. I want to be careful with my zooming increments. It's Delta. I'm gonna go my maximum length. That was a dumb idea, wasn't it? Okay, 7-3, where are you? There it is. Yes, the departure. Oh, yeah, and it's going into the clouds now. I'll get a good view of that. Thank you. There's a jet over yonder. 717 by the looks of it.
Oh, that's the one you saw.
Yeah, probably. We're focusing on the telephone poles. Once again, I gotta be careful with my increments. Spirit A319 looks like. Very low. Pretty far away too. What the hell was that? I assure you that wasn't the Spirit. And there it is. People are ducking under me. I'm becoming quite the public disturbance. Another Spirit A319, almost like it's the same thing. Once again, I can assure you it's not. There's my full zoom. Way too close. As you can, as people will probably tell me, but I don't care. That's the point of having a camera like this. You want to get close to things. 7-4. China Air 747 every single time we get this. Hey Jeff, you want to see how the video's faring? It's behind the trees now. It's about to pop out of the trees. Get ready. Ultra zoom 2. Shaking around a bit, so it's gonna turn right here, it looks like.
You need to rest it on my shoulder or something?
Oh, I can figure it out. Even though there it is. The camera should be able to focus on this perfectly fine. I mean, it's the only thing in the sky. Unless it really wants to focus on the clouds. Come on. That's the furthest I can go, and for crying out loud, okay, come on. It's not focusing on it. That's the only bad thing about autofocus. Sometimes it likes to hunt. I can keep it like this if that's what the camera needs. But okay, China Air Cargo 747 for the first time, and not the first time, for the second time actually, in the last few days. Let's take a look at the turn it's gonna do. Oh yeah, best angle possible. And that's when I was able to hold the camera steady. Looks like we have a Southwest 7.3 over here that I need to, I really need to get into focus, and it's really windy too. That's why I'm screaming. Kinda, not really. And also, the camera's not focusing on it once again. It really wants to focus on the power lines that aren't in the frame.
Now you got a sign.
Once it goes behind the sign, that's when it... Oh, for crying out loud, okay. Come on, get out of the sign, Southwest. Thank you. Maybe you could get into focus a little bit. I have to rapidly zoom out and zoom in. It's not even gonna try to focus, okay. Camera is hard at work trying, oh my god. Hard at work trying to focus on this 7.3. It's not gonna do it though, because it doesn't. Okay. Now I can look at this A321 over here. The camera wants to focus on this really far away A321, but the close-up 737 isn't gonna work, huh? And I'm moving this all over the place. I gotta stop a little bit. Okay, Southwest 7.3. My little test subject here. For crying out loud, come on. What do you have to do to get these things to focus? I guess this is good enough, but there's not really any type of button I can press, I guess, that'll make this focus. I can get it to focus on the cars down here, but maybe now if I try the 7.3. I just gotta be way out there. What the hell is going on? Look how slow I'm zooming out. Look at all the Amazon trucks. You said there were 6? Gee. 7.3. 739 it looks like. Which is usual. But yeah, look at my focus now. I had to change my autofocus mode.
So,
That's what the problem was.
sweet.
And now I'm kind of messing it up again, because
Unsweet.
No, because I'm being too erratic.
Sweet again. There's a gun.
And there we go. There's a crane over here, apparently. Well, I saw it, and now it... I don't think there's any hope, but... if there is... I don't see it. It's probably gone by now. But we can do ourselves a little gander at the lake, right? For crying out loud. Yeah, look at this. The chocolate milk water. 717. Possibly 2BG. Okay, that's actually the best one so far. Oh yeah, it's focusing on the trees a little bit. Jeff's about to tell his 5-second true story about 2 people who robbed him. In case you're wondering, he told them about Jesus, they gave him his money back. Very enlightening story. Love to hear it. I know I love to hear it because I've heard it 16,000 times. And now it's 717. 717 again! This one, yeah, there's definitely drops falling.
Do you need to put it in a bag?
I'm getting as close as I can first. Optically, and now I want to stop before I get everything wet! Wet! Everything is gonna get wet!